Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC sitting at $12.28 at time of recording, guys. Ran up to $12.70 this morning. The overall market having some get back on this weird Friday. We know usually on Fridays we usually have a sellout. A lot of people getting out of positions, closing positions, going into the weekend, waiting to see how the market come about on the next new week, guys, before they starts to get into positions. So like I told you guys, the reason I believe we having this awkward Friday, meaning we getting a lot of traction, a lot of movement to the upside, is being for the fact that the Feds are losing steam. As you notice, whenever they came out, the Feds meeting and raising rates by the most they did since 1942 by 75 basis points. With that being said, it was not 1942, my bad, guys, 1994. It's been the most they raised the rates the most since 1994, when they raised rates on Wednesday by 75 basis points. With that being said, guys, like I tell you, the Feds got a 99% conviction rate, but as they continue to try and control the market, they steady losing steam, losing power. And the reason being is because once we come down to the bottom, we done came to low level. You got companies them fell from $400 to $30, $2,000 to damn $300, $300 to $15, $80 to $10. When you got companies that them been hit this hard, right? Tell me exactly where these companies are going to go now when you come out with this bad news. The bad news to help drive the market down even further. These companies can't go too much lower. The company that went from 40 to 20, it could go to 15 to 10, but it's not ethical. Like it's too much of a crazy deal out there. We gotta kind of funk it up a bit. So what we're gonna do is run it up. We gotta push the market up artificially. We even can create buying pressure ourselves to push it up towards the meeting. As soon as the meeting comes out, then we seen the market pull back and panic. And that ain't really a drop because it done ran up all morning. It just gave back the gains. So they were really in control. If they ain't really in control still, the market would have tumbled prior to the Fed meeting. Once they came out of the meeting, it would have fell some more, and then the following day it would have fell some more, and it would have just started picking up on Friday, being for the fact of the crazy dip opportunities and people being eating up those cheap quality companies. But like I say, guys, they ran it up towards the meeting. As soon as the meeting came out, they dropped it, and then it's picked right back up because that's where it had belonged, guys. And then yesterday, they could sell it off. They had that leverage to do it because the market was up from the prior day. It went and had a nice little jump back in after hours on Thursday. So they had that leverage to pull it back down because some of that buying pressure was probably created from them as well to artificially push it up because they know they losing steam. Like, we can control it, but once we get these companies down to $10, $5, $15, all the companies, these large companies trading at these levels, it ain't nothing else we're gonna be able to do. It ain't care what type of bad news we come out with. People is going to either buy, or people is not going to really be too much concerned because they done already lost everything. They already down big. Now they trying to get back. They putting in whatever at these levels to try and get back on some of these quality companies and hold as they continue to give back those gains in the next years or so. So you already know, guys, like I say, pay attention to detail exactly what's going on in the stock market. We see what's going on, guys. Adam Aaron says yesterday there is no evidence of fake or synthetic shares with AMC. I shared my opinion on that yesterday. Go check out that video if you didn't already. So you already know, guys, like I say, we got to continue to hold the line. AMC is eventually going to shock a lot of people and take off like a bat out of hell. We ain't going to put no dates on it, put no prediction on it. We just going to let it do what it do because it's only a matter of time before it, spike when people least expect it. That's what it likes to do. I won't be surprised if it happened going over, through a weekend from Friday to Monday, a crazy open up, however the case may be. It's going to be sneaky, guys. It's going to be very sneaky. So you already know what to do. Like I say, add me on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.